Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the planet Jupiter. You know, the planet Jupiter has been retrograde since a long time. I mean, the planet Jupiter got retrograde on the 20th of June 2021 and it is gonna get direct in the Capricorn sign on the 18th of October 2021. So this has been a long retrogradation for the planet Jupiter. Retrograde simply means a planet going in the reverse direction. And this particular Jupiter going direct in the Capricorn sign means that things are gonna move forward in your life. You know, this planet Jupiter represents many things. It represents religion. It represents religious growth. It represents faith. It represents optimism. It represents positivity. It represents gurus. It represents astrologers. It represents wealth. It represents children. It represents money. It represents the good things of life which you want to get through legal means. So this phenomenon of Jupiter going direct at this point in time will be a benefic one for most of the people on this planet Earth. You know, this particular Jupiter going direct on the 18th of October 2021 will be in the Capricorn sign until 21st of November 2021. So this particular month is gonna be an important month for most of us. And Jupiter being with the planet Saturn is definitely gonna increase your religious activities at this moment. You are gonna be inclined towards religion at this particular moment. Well, seeing the planetary positions and knowing that Jupiter is gonna go direct on the 18th of October 2021, I want to tell you all something today. You know, whenever the planet Jupiter gets retrograde, it infuses in us a lot of negativity. So when Jupiter goes direct in the Capricorn sign, I want to tell you all that you need to burn your negative thoughts at this point in time. You need to burn your negative ideas, your negative thoughts, your negative attitude at this point in time. You need to burn these negativities at this point in time because this is a time for positivity. You also need to stay away from negative people at this particular moment. You need to stop sharing your ideas, your plans with your near and dear ones, your loved ones, your friends at this point in time who are the members of the discouragement club. If you are sharing your ideas, plans, your thoughts with those people who are negative, who are discouraging you from moving ahead in life, then you need to stop discussing your ideas and plans with them. You need to stop sharing your thoughts with them. You know, these people who are members of the discouragement club, they are toxic people. They are negative people and you need to get them out of your life. You know, when negative people look at opportunities, all they can see are hurdles, barriers and obstacles. But a positive person who, when faces barriers, hurdles and obstacles, all they will see at that point in time is opportunities for themselves. In other words, you can see a glass half full or a glass half empty. You need to start avoiding and ignoring such people who don't want to encourage you. If these people are more debilitating than empowering, then just discard these people from your life. You know, these are the same people who will drag you down in your life, who will pull you down in your life. So you need to avoid these people. You need to discard these people from your life at this particular moment during this particular month. I'm not telling you all to keep an enmity, animosity, acrimony towards these people. All you have to do is discard these people from your life. You need to stay away from such people who are discouraging you. And I am certain that you are interacting with these negative people. Since Jupiter has gone retrograde on the 20th of June 2021, so you need to avoid these people. You need to ignore these people. You know, these negative people, these toxic people will not move forward in their lives. they will not let you move forward as well. So it is better for you to follow your ideas, your plans at this particular moment, and keep those ideas, those plans to yourself. And here is something else I want to tell you all. For this particular month, I mean from the 18th of October until 21st of November 2021, you need to start taking risks in your life. You haven't been taking risks in your life until this point. You need to start taking risks at this point in time. You know, if you are not willing to risk, then you can't grow in your life. If you can't grow in your life, then you can't become your best. If you can't become your best, then you can't remain happy. And if you can't remain happy, then what else is there? Because basically, we all human beings want happiness in our life. We all human beings want joy in our life. So be willing to take risks at this point in time. I'm not telling you all to gamble in the stock market or in a casino. You need to gamble in your life by taking some bold decisions, some bold steps in your life. For example, if you are doing a job and you get a better opportunity for yourself, then you should take a chance to switch to that company where you are getting a better salary, where you think you will have a brighter future for yourself. So this is the kind of risk I'm telling you all to take. For example, if you had been thinking of starting a business or expanding your business, then this is the right time for you to expand your business and invest in your business. I mean, invest your money in your business. Well, if you had been thinking about marrying a particular person, then it is time for you to propose to that person. If you were thinking of having a love relationship in your life, then this would be an ideal time for you to go ahead with it. I mean, a romantic relationship. So you need to show some courage at this point in time. You know, courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It is the willingness of yours to act in spite of your fears. So even if you are fearing to take that bold decision, to take that bold step in your life, still go ahead and take those bold decisions. Be aggressive at this point in time. You know, the planet Jupiter wants us to be righteous at this point in time. You need to watch your karmas at this point in time. Your karmas should be in sync with your moral values at this point in time. You should refrain from gossiping at this point in time or bad-mouthing someone at this point in time. And the most important thing at this point in time for you all is to stop being jealous of others. Don't involve yourself with others at this point in time. I mean, their life at this point in time. Just concentrate on your life at this moment. Don't waste time gossiping about others, bad-mouthing others. Because if you do so, you'd be wasting your time, your energy. And as you all know, time is very important for everyone in this world. Because the time which is lost forever. You know, this life which has been given to us by God comprises of time. And if there is no time, there is no life. So, at this point in time, just focus on yourself, not others. You know, what will you get talking about other people? Instead, you need to focus on yourself at this point in time. You just need to forgive everyone at this moment and concentrate on your life at this particular moment. Utilize your time behind self-development, self-mastery. Develop your talents and skills at this point in time. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this planet Jupiter going direct in the Capricorn sign on the 18th of October 2021. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you wish to enhance and boost your luck in your life, If you want to increase and improve your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. These remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, religious remedies, and godly remedies. You know, these religious remedies, these godly remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Well, coming back to that topic about remedies, I want to tell you all these remedies will help you to earn more money in your life. It is going to show you success and prosperity in your life. It is going to make you experience richness in your life. It is going to make you a positive person in your life. It is going to make you experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great time ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.